Hi everyone, welcome to Cobalt Crochet Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to make the chain stitch. The chain stitch is used as the foundation for every single crochet project, so let's get started on how to make that. First, make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, no problem, I have a tutorial for that on my channel, so just check that out if you aren't sure how to make a slip knot. Slide it onto your hook, tighten it but not too tight. And for the position of your hands holding the yarn to make the chain stitch, you're going to want something holding this tail end and a finger lifting up the working yarn. The working yarn is the yarn coming from the ball. So the way I do it is with my pointer and thumb, I secure the tail. With my middle, I lift up the working yarn. And then with my fourth and fifth digits, I just secure that yarn down. So I'll show you again. I grab the yarn with my pointer and thumb, lift up with my middle, secure with my fourth and fifth. Alright, once you got that position started, and just make sure, the most important thing with however you're holding your yarn is just what's comfortable for you. However, you will find it very helpful to have something holding on to this tail end while you are doing your chain stitch. Okay, so to make the chain stitch, with the finger that's lifting your yarn up, and it could be your pointer, you can change it around however way it's comfortable for you, but I like to hold it up at the middle. So you're going to just wrap the yarn around the back of the hook and over. We'll do that again. So with the finger that's holding up the working yarn, wrap the working yarn behind and around the hook. Once you've done that, you're going to slide these loops down on your hook so that the working yarn you just wrapped over is caught in the neck of this crochet hook right here. Then you're going to twist your hook slightly downwards, not all the way down but slightly downwards, and then just pull it through that loop that was on your hook. Let's do that again. So I wrap the yarn behind and around the hook. I slide everything down so it gets caught in that neck right there. Tilt it slightly downwards and just pull it through. One more time. And as you can see, I've made two chains now. This is the first and this is the second. Let's do this one more time. One more chain. So yarn over. That's what it's called when you wrap it over the hook. Catch it in the neck, tilt down, pull through. So as you can see, I've made 3 chains now. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.